Hello everyone, welcome back to Python Challenge for All. Okay, let's see where we were last time. Let's remember, catch the following items. It was a circle, right? A ball is falling from the ceiling and we wanted to, we wanted to make the ball fall at the beginning. So let's see, let's go back to the code and continue our work. So it was like let's see, it was like, E61. Okay, it was like this, right? Very simple, but powerful code. Okay, let's run it. So it was like, okay, at different positions, the red ball is falling. Okay, good. So good as a start. So let's see. Make variations in speed and color. Okay, let's do it quickly. You know how to do that, right? So maybe we can change it as, okay, for example, from the second time only, we can make the self vy equals random dot rand int, say from 3 to 10. I don't know. And let's see. So if we change this, this will change from next time, next frame. And so the speed will change. Okay, that's the first one. Let's see it. So the first one is, okay, from next time. Yeah, the speed is different. Okay, good. What's next? Change the color of the item. We don't need it anymore. But anyway, one thing is use random for color. So here, let's use, instead of the fixed color, we use self dot color. Okay. The initial value should be dot color. Initial value should be, for example, 8. But each time a new ball is born, it should have randomized color index. One thing is random dot random int. So let's see, what kind of color shall we use? We go back to the Pyxel page and see the color code, change it from 0 to, say, 6, maybe. Okay. 0 to 6. How about that? So in this case, 0 to 7 will make it, no, 6 to 6. Okay. Or, what is the background color? Background is 15. So maybe we can change all the way to 14. Okay, let's see it. So red. Okay, gray, brown, good. So it's quite, yeah, it has variations. Okay, quite varied. Okay, so that's the way that's how I showed you how to change speed and color. Okay, let's move on to today's part. Lesson 62, catch the falling fruit. Good. We're going to fall fruit instead of just a ball. Okay, let us use an apple instead of a ball. To do that, you need to download a file named 256fruits16.jpg from the link in the description area. In the description area below, I put a link to my GitHub page. So please copy it and paste it in your browser. Okay, I will do it myself now. So it is like this. Paste it in the, say, browser and download it. Okay. So maybe, it's like this. It has many fruits. So download it. And as you know, it will be in your download page. So you can copy it to your KPC work direct folder where your Python codes are, code files are, okay? I hope you can do it. So download the JPEG file, copy the file from downloads to KPC work. Okay, so now we move on to how to use that. To do that, we need to put we did just last time, right? We use the cat image last time. So let's take a look at that. More more. Okay, so we did it. So let's do the same thing. So pixel image from here. Okay, pixel image 0 using image bank 0 to and 00 address 00 and file name is the same as that one. No, not this one, but the file name this one 256 fruits.jpg. Okay, good, because it is in the current directory, current folder, it should be fine. Okay, this is good. So this is how we can okay, let's move it here so that we can, okay, as you can see it in the Pyxel manual page, you can load it to the image bank. Okay, you can find details about it like this. Okay, then what we need, then we use that Apple image instead of this, in place of this circle. Okay, so let's comment this out. And then we will use Pyxel. Yeah, let's take a look. It's like this. Okay. BLT. The place is here, the same one. But let's see. Maybe self.bx. Let's write -8. Okay. by. Oh, let's see how it looks like. And the size is, let's see. Okay, here. And the image bank address is 00 for Apple. And the bank is 0. And starting address is x equals 0, y equals 0. And size is here, 16 by 16. I think this is good enough. Let's see how it looks like. Let's run it. Something is wrong. What's wrong? Let's find out. Okay, let's see. Now I remember that the image size is 256 by 256. Like this. So one apple should be 64 by 64. Okay, let's check that. So it should be 64, 64 instead of 16 by 16. And let's see how it looks like. It should be ugly. Okay, let's see. Good. At least it's a full apple. So what's wrong? Maybe the canvas is too small. So let's double the size. 600 by 400. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, this is good. Good enough. So maybe beautiful. Apple apples are falling one after another. Great. So now you see how you put your figure like this, your drawing or whatever, photo into this game environment. Okay, now we can forget about this. So let's see. What's next? I'm happy. Okay. Load the apple and image. So we used image.load and BLT. Okay, let's check that. So here, okay. So here the point is, let's see. This 0 is for corresponds to this 0, okay, and this 0 corresponds to this 0 0, okay. So let's see what's next. Let us prepare a catching box. So before trying other fruits, we will prepare a catching box. So maybe we will make a box self dot let's see box what should it be? Board box X. Okay, box X and box Y. Okay, so box X should be something like where is it? Okay, you know, it should move like this. The area is like this, and fruits are falling, and we will move a board horizontally. Okay, so it's like this. The board X is say at the center of the canvas, and board Y is very close to the can Y minus say 30, 20. Okay, 30. Okay, let's see how it looks like. And let's draw a board by Pyxel rect at the position of here. And size is horizontally like six, I don't know, 100. Vertically, it should be 30. And the color should be, what do you like? Box should be in brown, maybe? I don't know. Let's change. Let's use 4. Okay, brown. Let's see how it looks like. Good. So there's a catcher box. If you want it bigger, you can do that. So what's next? Of course, we need to move it horizontally with left and right keys. Can you do that? Again, we will open old file. For example, what can we use? What do we have? Mole. Mole is usable. Okay, here. Okay, so we will copy these and paste it in the update here. Okay, so no, not here, but here. Okay, so here what we need to do is if the right key is hit and if the box X is right key, so box box X is smaller than can X minus what is the board size? 100. Okay, then we will move the boards by how much? maybe 10. I don't know. We can tune it later. So okay, and the same for left. If the board box X, okay, not box, but box X. So if the self box X is bigger than 0, we will move it. I see. This should be 100. Okay, we don't care. Okay, 0, 0, and then we will move it by box X by 100. 10. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so can you move the maybe it's too slow. Okay, movement. Let's move it by 30 instead of 10. How does it look like? Good. Okay. So, I think it's good enough as a. Ooh, okay, quick. Maybe we need to make it faster. But anyway, I think this is good as a start. Okay. So, homework. That's all for today. Homework. Catch if the apple is in the box. Okay. So please make a judgment whether the apple's fruit position is within the box area. Okay. And maybe you can give scores for that or something like that. We'll see next time. Okay. Be sure to come back. Bye-bye.